The first diagram here shows us 4 spheres plus a little one at the top. These spheres, you can either, if you're a science fiction buff, call them parallel worlds, right? And that's probably true. They are absolutely parallel worlds. You can refer to them as different realms, but I'm going to give you a little bit of information about each so you'll be able to distinguish. The one at the bottom, the red one, there's no reason for the particular color coding, by the way. It's just the way that I happen to choose the colors on the run. It's called Asiya, and Asiya is the world of time and space. It's the world of finity. In other words, it's our world. It's where you and I find ourselves. And here we operate in a state of consciousness. This is where our reality lies. The realm of Yetzirah, immediately above it, here in orange, has no time and no space. Already a totally radical difference from the realm of Asiya. Nevertheless, the realm above it, in yellow here, the realm of Bria, makes the one below it in orange, Yetzirah, appear to be, by way of comparison, finite and physical. That's how much different the world of Bria is. And then you have the world of Atzilut above it, which is, again, a quantum leap removed from Bria. Some of the characteristics. I said the lowest one, Asiya, is the world of time and space, the world where things are essentially different materially, particle, people, thoughts. Everything is in a state of singularity and separation. In the world of Yetzirah, the one above it, is where the form of the material starts to become formulated. In other words, it's called the realm of form. It's almost akin to the Greek classical use of the word form also. The world of Bria, on the other hand, is where the beginnings of the creation of anything begins to take place, totally spiritual. And that's why the beginning of the Chumash, the Bible, begins with Bereshit, bara Elokim, bara, the world of Bria. In the world of Bria, creation takes place. Creation doesn't take place in the lower realms, and creation doesn't take place in the upper realms. That's an interesting idea. Bria is the first realm where separation takes place. Separation from what? From the world above it, Atzilut, where everything is still in a state of absolute unity. We're talking about spiritually now. When we talk materially, it's down the bottom. We're talking about spiritually right now, where the beginnings of the spiritual antecedent to what ultimately becomes materiality, but still in a spiritual state. Bria is where separation begins to take place spiritually. In Atzilut, it's all in a state of oneness. But that state of oneness of Atzilut is itself a total removal from the source, the creator of everything, which is that little dot at the top, Ein Sof. And that means literally without end or infinity. So, this gives us the cosmic geography.
Can someone exist in the same place at all one time?
Who's the someone? Someone can only exist in the lowest realm. Right. But in a moment, I'm going to say you exist in all of them. So stick around. Okay.